Okay, we're looking at upper control arms, UCAs. What is that? Why are we looking at that? If you've decided to put bigger tires on your truck, there's a certain size you can get to without modifying your suspension. Eventually, you're gonna have to raise your suspension, add lift to your truck. When you add a lift to your truck to accommodate your bigger tires, you're gonna change the angles at which those wheels sit on the body or attached to the suspension. As you change those things, as you get to bigger tire sizes and steeper lifts or taller lifts, you're gonna have to change this linkage, which is called the upper control arm. So it moves, you can see this. It's the upper because there is also a lower. When you change from your OEM upper control arm to an aftermarket upper control arm, you gain the ability to adjust caster, which is basically the angle at which your wheel is sitting. We won't go too far into that, but it allows you to adjust so that when you have a large tire size with a lift, you can recover the tracking ability of your truck. When we lift our vehicles with big tires and big lifts, the angles at which the steering is now pointed, is attached to your vehicle, it affects how stable that is, specifically at higher speeds. An aftermarket upper control arm gives the alignment shop the ability to set the alignment of your wheel so that you recover highway stabilities. Upper control arms also, since you're lifting your vehicle, will allow for more travel. They will often, some upper control arms, will have serviceable parts, unlike your OEM upper control arm. An OEM upper control arm is manufactured very well to be perfectly tuned for a stock tire size. As soon as you add weights, especially this wheel weight, and lift your vehicle, change your angles, you're gonna need a heavier duty upper control arm. So an aftermarket upper control arm will be more durable than your OEM upper control arm, especially as you add tire size and wheel size. As you look at lifting your vehicle, consider replacing the upper control arms. You're gonna improve the reliability of your lifted vehicle. You're gonna improve the safety of your newly lifted vehicle. And it's gonna be a much better solution for the longevity of your truck that now is taller and heavier than its OEM condition.